Nada.
The draft resolution is replaced by the newly adopted alternative resolution. Madam Estrela, you have the floor.
Senhor Presidente.
President, it is a shame to note that because of a few votes and some hypocrisy and obscurantism, hypocrisy and obscurantism have prevailed over the legitimate rights of women. You can shout all you like. I'm not going to shut up. You can't intimidate me. I'm not scared of you. I know I'm right.
Lamento que em
I lament the fact that in 2013 the European Parliament should adopt a more conservative position than it had in 2002 when it adopted the previous report. I lament the fact that the most extremist and fundamentalist movements should have prevailed over the will of members. Citizens ask for more Europe, and the European Parliament gives them this response. You can shout all you like.
Peço, Senhor Presidente.
President, I would like my name to be withdrawn from the resolution which has been approved. Please remove my name, President. I am certain that in the forthcoming elections in 2014, European voters won't forget the shameful vote of today.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Nada.